Hi, I am back with another exciting tutorial. Welcome to day 19 of the 30-day UI/UX Design and Animations Challenge. Today we will create interactive cards animation. Micro-interactions are key elements that make your design stand out by enhancing the user experience and giving users a sense of immediate response or feedback for their actions. Let's design a product card for a t-shirt. Add product image, product name, and supporting text to show vendor details or any other details according to client requirement, product price, and a call to action button. I will add a component set for the button, so let's design its states. One is the default state that will show on each card, second one is to show on expanded cards. The third one shows the completeness of the action, that is, add to cart, in this scenario. Adjust space on the card for all variants of a button. Now I am adding circular shapes to show color variance. One more action is needed that is most commonly found on e-commerce sites or apps is add to favorite. I am also using a component set for this one to add default and clicked state. I am also adding a prototype on this one so that I can interact with this icon on every state of the product card. Let's hide this color variant part or lower the opacity in this variant of the card. Now just duplicate the card and make changes for other states or variants. Make the color variance part a bit smaller by pressing K. Limit spacing between elements and make them left aligned. Make the product image a bit large. Change button variant. Now this state is for the hover effect. We can expand the card on hover or any other required action. Now add a third state to show how a card will look when the user presses the Add to Cart button. Now make them a component set and add a prototype. For the first card, I am adding a while hovering trigger with smart animation. On the second card, I will add an on tap trigger on the Add to Cart button. I want to change the button state to that third one for a while and then go back to the default card state after I have added my product to the cart. So to achieve this, I am adding an after delay trigger on the third card so that it will change to the default one after giving the user a response after their action. Now let's add this component on a separate frame to test the results. I have used hover trigger so this card can be used on websites. If you want to add such interactions for mobile apps, also you can use an extra drop-down type icon to further expand the cards as I have done on hover. Here you go. Catch up for the next day. Thanks for watching.